What up, YouTube? It's Kiko and I'm back at it with another video. If you're new to my channel, hey boo! I know you haven't seen me in a little while, but I'm back, bitches. And we're back with a hair review. Today we're gonna do a hair review because I got these products for free. I got these products for free because I joined this program called BT Expert, but after a week, like, I realized that they don't pay. They just give you free products. And, like, you know, I could do that because, like, free products, I could review them and shit. But, like, that's a lot of work. I'm not about to be doing reviews and shit for free and shit. And I'm just to get products. I could buy them, like, at this point. Like, that's so much work. I got these products from Christophe Robin. I don't know if I said that right. And they're, like, hair products, natural hair products. And I'm all about the natural life. If you know me, you know I love my curly hair. I religiously started taking care of my hair not too long ago, probably like a month and a half ago, and it's been great ever since. My curls have gotten so much better. So they gave me the shampoo, they gave me a mask, ooh, and they gave me another mask slash conditioner. I guess this is like two conditioners or one. I don't know which one I put on first, because what I do is that the last products that I use, even if it's like a leave-in or not, what I do is, like, I apply a little bit and I play around with my hair, and then I leave some of the products in. So, like, I rinse some out and then leave some in. But here's the thing, when I opened it up, this doesn't look like something you would leave in. This literally looks like a mask that you put on for a little bit and then you take off. This one looks like something you could leave in. So I'm thinking of using this one first and then this one and leaving this one a little bit in. It's not too much, and I don't leave it in on my scalp. So if when you do that, you like listening to me, trying to get some tips out of me, do not leave it in on your head if it's not a leave-in. If it's a leave-in, whatever. But if it's not a leave-in, the little trick is to, like, you use it on your ends in the middle to rinse some out and then leave some in, and that's gonna give your hair volume. I just wet my hair so I can prepare for the products. Now I'm about to go in. So I'm gonna go in with the cleansing purifying sea salt scrub first. This is like the shampoo, the cleanser, the one that cleans all the dirt that you have mixed in your hair, all that gel you used on your baby hairs, all that spray to hold in the, you know, the half cuts, the middle parts and shit. Like, that's what we're gonna take off with this shit right now. You see all that? It looks like soap, but it's not. That's gel. That's a problem. So, it smells good. I love products that smell good. Like, it don't smell. It actually smells like the ocean. The ocean with some soap. Have y'all ever, like, put bubbles in the ocean? No, like, I've had a bubble bath in the ocean before. I deadass brought my bubble bath shit and put it in the beach. Never had like a shampoo like that. Feel me? This is very giving much naturalized. Like, I feel like I'm in the ocean right now taking a shower. Models be like, bitch, I'm a model. Ooh, it's slippery as hell in here. This is what I'm gonna be talking about. Ah! So we're going with the regenerating mask with rare prickly pear seed oil. This is how it is, bitch. This is how it looks. That's the vibes. Sis, I had to come back to tell y'all that this side detangled in less than 5 minutes, and I usually take 5 minutes and up. Like, I think, how long, like 2 minutes? I like her. I'm digging her. Alright guys, so now I am rinsed completely, and now I'm gonna just go in with the final step, which is the clay. This is the brown clay that I showed you guys earlier. It smells kind of bad, but natural products do have a weird scent sometimes. I'm gonna put some water because honestly it's like really muddy, like, you know what I'm saying? It's very soapy too. Oh my god, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to leave this in my hair how I want it to, you guys know. Alright, I think I'm gonna just do what they're telling me to do and rinse it out after like 2 minutes. So I'm gonna just apply to my hair, let it sit, whatever. Yeah, it's too soapy. This is more like a shampoo, you ask me. This, I think this was supposed to be what I put on first. Shit, she should have came with instructions. This kind of tangled my hair up a little bit and it made it a little bit hard. But it's my fault because I should have known to use this product first. This is that like a shampoo. Hell no. I'm gonna go back in with the conditioner. Okay, you guys, do not mind the hair that is there. That's where I stick my hair. You know when you detangle it, all that hair coming out, put it right there. Now I'm partially rinsed because I still have some of the conditioner in my hair. You guys know that I do that. And I'm gonna go in with my final step, which is the Ultra Defining Gel. This is from the Diva Curl line, or whatever you guys want to call it. She's okay. I wouldn't say she's perfect. I think I could have better, but she does the job for now. This is just to hold your curls, basically. It's like a natural gel. Just take that and I put it all over my hair and I scrunch with it. As y'all can see, my hair is moisturized because you guys can hear the water. Alright, you guys, so now I'm gonna take this microfiber towel off. I always use a microfiber towel to drain my hair from all the water that it still had in, because you know I don't fully rinse my hair out, so it be like moisturized. Now you guys see that you can't hear the water. Today I'm using this coconut oil, and then afterwards I use this curl spray. That's just like for the frizz or whatever, and to give it shine. So I'm putting a little bit of coconut oil, not too much. So the real final step is the spray. This is the dry styling oil from Curly Envy. Everything is curl related. So I just go boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. So now I either air dry or diffuse my hair. Today I'm gonna let it air dry. And I'm gonna see what happens. So I'll be back with you guys when my hair fully dries. It's still, you know, a little bit wet. And you guys will see the final results and see if these Christophe products are worth it. So this is how my hair looks. I feel like the products did work. When I have a good hair day or whatever after I wash it, this is the outcome of my hair. As y'all know, my hair does need a cut, so it's not perfect. I do feel like they're worth it. They're really good. The fact that this is day 1 shows that this product is really good, because my hair usually looks better day 2. So bitch, day 1 I'm feeling great. I'm feeling beautiful. I'm feeling popping. I'm feeling lit. Like, what else do we need to feel like? We that bitch. So that's about that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, and share. And if you enjoyed this video, hit that bell notification button so you won't miss another one.